I'ma test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Okay, hey y'all. So I be getting so sidetracked in my videos. It's so crazy. My mind distracts me. But so what I'm really gonna do, honestly, is add to these. So to be honest, I'm just going to do some across the entire front of my head. And I want to see how it looks, because I said, well, I expressed on my TikTok, because I did this style on my TikTok. So if you want to check that out, go to my TikTok at Charitisinae_. But I just felt like these really didn't make a difference. Like, it just looked the same. I mean, it was cute for what it was, but I want to see how it would look with them all over this, like, front of my head. Can you talk? Is that okay? Gonna wet my hair. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually trying to record this video for YouTube and TikTok at the same time. Okay, just like that right there. Okay, so now that it's all wet and fully saturated, I'm going to go in with my Kinky Curling Custard, and I'm gonna replenish and bring back my curls with this, okay? Taking it on my fingertips, gonna rub it with my fingertips, and then, dang, I put a lot right there in that area. Going to go in like this. Just gonna put it all over the back side as well. I really love my natural curl pattern. I think it's so cute. It took me, honestly, it took me forever to accept my natural hair. I know, you know, you hear this a lot with black women, women of color, what is that? Factual, okay. How it, you know, it be taking us some time to fully learn to appreciate our natural hair for what it is. You know, it's very unfortunate, but you know, shout out to my natural girls, because the community has grown, hun. I know some people who still get relaxers, but at the same time, I don't. Like, I know there are some people who definitely still gonna get their relaxer faithfully. I remember, man, do you remember when relaxers were a thing? Like, I'm talking about a thing. Like, it's time for that relaxer, okay? You better stop scratching your head, because you got to get that relaxer tomorrow, okay? Like, it used to be deep. Relaxers had the girls in a choke hold, one thing about it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go in, let me comb these edges out that have been, and I'm gonna just start where we stopped with this one. And so I'm gonna get here with it. I made a part right there, and so what I want to do now is where this part stopped at, like that right there. Really not trying to make this be perfect, just want to make it, you know, look like something at the end of the day. So now that I have that one parted, I'm gonna take a rubber band, and then I'm just gonna rubber band it down, you know what I'm saying? And then do my best to, like, not get any hair in the rubber band, you know. I'm not about to make it tight at all, you know. Definitely spread it out. Make sure I do it like that right there. Dang, I done already messed it up. Okay. Y'all ever concentrate so hard your eyes start watering? That's definitely what just happened to mine. But let's go ahead and get this side knocked onto the next one. Okay. I don't even know if y'all can see this. Should I stop here? No, I'm not gonna stop there. At this point, I don't know if the parts are even accurate. Because this is, and then you go, okay, down like that. And then up like that. And so, to divide the hair, just go put that comb in it right down. Don't want no other hair getting in the way, because it makes it so difficult to part. Like, even if it be like, alright, it's just a piece of, but it messes up the entire part, which can really just ultimately mess up the look, you know? You know? I think I'm gonna do one more here, just like a tiny one. I can already not see the difference yet again. Okay, this is one side. As you can see, I got my edges out, so we'll see what it's giving when I complete this side, okay? Yeah. Why is that your thing? I don't know why. Okay, how are we feeling? I did the front, now I'm about to do my edges. You know, I'm about to get into these edges, honey. How are we feeling about this? Like it looked the same, huh? Stop, no it don't. I'm going to brush it down. I'm using my Kinky Curly Knot today. No, that's the conditioner. The knot today, but I'm still using my Kinky Curly curling custard to do this. Okay, and then just and I don't really, because I don't like to completely lay my edges down anymore. I like to leave like the ends of them to go into their natural curl patterns. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I like to leave the ends of them curly, basically. They're giving me a hard time today though, so. Oh, this is not what I want. Lift that up like that. Do a love. Still recording? Okay, cool, because my battery about to die, so. Get over here with it. I definitely want to color my hair again. I'm just a color girl. Like, I love color. I love it to just experiment with different colors. I don't know. And your hair just be like, no. But I be like, yeah. Okay, you know, I just wanted to change my shirt and look like something for real while I do this intro and outro. But yes, y'all, so this is a cute little hairstyle that I wanted to do. Just as my hair starts to grow out, I just want to experiment with it some more, because I know, you know, when you're growing your hair out, when you cut it all off, it can be kind of challenging and difficult to style it every day. Especially, I know that whole awkward phase people have to go through with it, but so I just want to continue to experiment and see what I like and how I can make it cute as it, you know, on this little growing journey, whatever. This is just y'all like witnessing me experiment with my hair as it continues to grow out, and I just try to find different ways to style it and play with it so I won't get bored with it, you know. This is just me carrying y'all along through my hair journey, and which this is a spiritual meaning for me, which is why I started now, which I'll probably get into that into another video, but this is very symbolic for me, this whole journey and process with my hair. But yes, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you liked this little cute quick hairstyle. You know, it was very simple, very easy, you know, doesn't take too much time, and I mean, it looked good, you know. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, and then give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.